Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable UPI on your SBI account using YONO app. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, UPI has become very popular even on international numbers. It's now working. So as I did in my case, so this was the first time I was trying to use SBI YONO app. Just wanted to see. I had used YONO Lite, but there is I did not find any option over there, but I'll try to explore. So on YONO app homepage itself, you see you haven't created a UPI ID. Activate UPI ID, as you can see there. So the process begins pretty simple. Just tap on that. Okay. So once you tap it, this is the thing comes that you register for UPI. Okay. So just click on register for UPI again. Now let's start with your registration. So basically what it does, so it will try to detect the SIM card on your phone. Okay, and it will try to send a message, okay, to enable verification. Because generally nowadays what happens, like your phone number is linked to your account, so it's highly recommended that you use it. You install this app on the phone that is registered with your bank, okay, so that when this SIM verification process goes ahead, there is no issue, okay, because it has to verify the number. Okay, same thing you might have seen in phone pay app also. If you do, so here I selected this like, or in my phone there's only one SIM, so that's why SIM 1 got automatically selected. But if you have like multiple SIMs, two SIMs, make sure the SIM that is registered with your bank is selected. You don't want it to go through other. Okay, all right. And okay, so when I tap on proceed, first I got an error. You know why? It told me that disable Wi-Fi. I'm not showing you that, okay, because you don't have to see that, but it asked me to disable Wi-Fi so that it can use the network. I just said okay, fine. I went back, I disabled the Wi-Fi, I came back to the same screen and I tapped on process. Now this screen is gonna take some time, okay, because it's gonna verify. So it's gonna begin the verification. It's gonna send SMS from your phone. Again, you may get some prompts to allow the permission, so just accept those, okay, and verification is gonna be completed. Once verification is gonna be completed, you'll get the opportunity to select the pin, and that you should do. Of course that's confidential information, so I cannot show you that, but this is how it works, guys. So let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.